There is so much about space, our solar system, galaxy, universe, etc. that we still don't know. So today in this video I'll be showing you 6 interesting facts about space that will blow your mind. So let's begin. Number 1. The space is completely silent. There is no air or atmosphere in space. Since it is a vacuum, sound waves will have no medium to travel. That means no one will hear you scream in space even if you shout the loudest. So you may wonder how astronauts communicate with each other. While sound waves are mechanical waves that need a medium to travel, radio waves are electromagnetic waves that can travel in space. That's the reason why astronauts use radios to stay in communication while in space, since radio waves can still be sent and received in vacuum environment. Number 2. It takes around 230 million years for our solar system to orbit the Milky Way. Everyone knows that it takes 24 hours for Earth to rotate on its axis and 365 days to orbit the Sun. But we never hear much about a galactic year. The galactic year, also known as a cosmic year, is the duration of time required for the Sun to orbit once around the center of the Milky Way galaxy. It is estimated to take a whopping 225 to 250 million years for our solar system to orbit around the center of the Milky Way galaxy. To put this into perspective, the Big Bang occurred around 61 galactic years ago, and dinosaurs would have been walking the Earth 1 galactic year ago. Dinosaurs were then wiped out 0.26 galactic years ago, with modern humans making an appearance just 0.001 galactic years ago. Some believe that in 1 galactic year, all continents on Earth will have fused into a supercontinent. These breathtaking statistics put into perspective just how long the universe has been around and are enough to make anyone feel slightly insignificant in the big picture. Before seeing more mind-boggling facts about space, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Now let's continue. Number 3. The moon is getting further away every year. The moon exerts a pull on Earth, causing our planet to be slightly egg-shaped. It affects the water on Earth, creating tides and causing the oceans to pile up towards one side of the planet, forming a tidal bulge. This bulge is dragged around with the moon as it orbits. One more point to note, that is, Earth rotates faster than the moon, that is 24 hours for Earth versus 27.3 days for the moon. As the two bodies interact through gravity, this tugging causes Earth to lose energy while the moon gains energy. Because of this energy boost, the moon is slowly spiraling outwards, moving away from us by 3.8 centimeters per year. Number 4. There are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on the Earth. The size of the universe is truly mind-boggling and difficult to comprehend. Astronomer Carl Sagan is famous for claiming that there are more stars in the universe than there are grains of sand on the world's deserts and beaches. But this is, of course, difficult to prove. Many people do not take this as a fact and instead just see it as a good way of describing how astonishingly big the cosmos is. Scientists went about conducting a study at the Australian National University to see if Sagan's claims are in fact true. And after some mammoth and mind-melting calculations were made, they discovered that this was in fact the case. This is certainly something to think about next time you are relaxing on a beach somewhere, as it really puts into perspective just how vast and unexplored the entire universe is. Number 5. You could fit all the other planets in our solar system between Earth and our moon. In terms of outer space, we generally think that the distance between Earth and our moon is quite small. Amazingly, it turns out that you could fit the other planets in our solar system within the average distance between the Earth and the moon. The average distance is 3,84,400 kilometers or 2,38,555 miles, and the diameter of the 7 remaining planets added together would leave 8,030 kilometers or 4,990 miles at spare. This makes it relatively tight fit and is remarkably statistic when you consider how large some of other planets in the solar system are. It also makes you think about the distance between Earth and other planets in our solar system and just how vast the space is. This statistic also makes you realize what an incredible job we have done in exploring our solar system, but equally how much more there is to discover. Number 6. All the stars, galaxies and planets only make up about 4% of the universe. It may seem that we know a fair amount about outer space, but it is really just a penny in the ocean. All the stars, galaxies, planets and other matter that can be detected only make up to 4%, with other 96% being what cannot be seen, detected or even understood by astronomers. 23% of the mass of the universe is called dark matter, and we know about this because its gravity pulls on visible stars and galaxies. This stuff is crazy enough, but 73% of the mass of the universe is dark energy. This has repulsive gravity and is believed to be the reason that the universe is accelerating in its expansion instead of expanding at the same rate throughout time or slowing down. This makes it one of the most baffling and mind-melting mysteries out there. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Now if you want to watch what Bhuta Cola actually means, click on this video.